In terminal, we can also use calculator function. First command you are going to learn is BC. With BC, you can do calculation by entering first number and symbol. I am going to use plus symbol and last number, and you have to enter now and you get your value. Okay, let's look at another example. I am going to write 10 and forward slash and 2 and plus 100 and star. Alright, this is my value. Also, let's look at a final example. 5 minus 3 star 2. Now, how do I can exit on this? To exit, you have to write quit. Okay, let me clear previous tasks by typing clear. This is another way to do it. First, you have to type echo and numbers and symbol, and after that vertical bar and BC. Now you got your return value. Again, echo 12 plus 12 plus 12 space vertical bar space BC, enter. Alright, the last one, echo and minus 5 plus minus 5 space vertical bar and space and BC. So okay,